Hello, friends. Here is vocabulary related to flood, and it can be used for writing a letter to editor related to flood. It can be used for writing an article or writing a speech urging people to donate for the flood hit areas. So, if you have to write all these, you need to see that you need to follow some kind of structure. Your structure should be dynamic. Dynamic means it should f- have a flow of thoughts. You should not repeat the same thing in different expressions. I'm just giving you vocabulary, and multiple expressions are there which you can choose from. So, the first thing you need to see is you need to, after introduction, you need to talk about the causes of the problem. Now, what led to floods? So, here are certain words that can help you: cloudburst, downpour, incessant heavy rain, torrential rain, flash floods, swollen rivers, overflowing rivers, gushing water, strong flow of water. So all these words can be used to describe that what led to overflowing of water, that it entered the residential areas of people. Now here are words and expressions related to effect. After you talk about causes, here are the expressions for effect, means what happened after that, what were the consequences of that. Words for damage: devastation, destruction, widespread damage, roads cut off, buildings collapsed, people buried alive, bridges collapsed, breach of canals, people swept away, people washed away, people stranded. Loss of life and property, claimed lives. You can say that flood claimed lives. Death toll rose. People drowned, means people got drowned. Paddy crops destroyed. So, words describing areas means which were the areas which got hit by flood, low lying areas, flood hit areas, flood prone areas, especially the areas just around the water bodies, they are called flood prone areas, waterlogged areas. Words related to action taken or solution. So, first thing we did was cause, we discussed causes, then what happened, that was the effect, and now third is solution, that what was the action taken by the administration. So, you need to follow this pattern: cause, effect, and solution. Emergency meetings were called, you can say, and uh, like to monitor the current situation. Then rescue teams were deployed, rescue operation. Then you can say people were rescued, people were evacuated. Then you can see relief camps were set up, people were provided shelter. You can use the word homeless people, destitute people, flood hit people. Food packets were distributed. Administration said that they were fully equipped to deal with the situation. So, all these expressions, phrases, and words, I think, is going to help you to write any article or letter to editor or report regarding floods. Friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe it and share this video. Thank you and bye bye.